Remember those clunky, slow robots from sci-fi movies? Forget all that. The past year in robotics has been insane. We're talking robots that draw, play chess with their minds, and even mimic human expressions. It's mind-blowing. We'll be exploring super realistic robots that can mirror your emotions in real-time AI-powered companions designed to explore space alongside astronauts, humanoid robots with lightning-fast reflexes, and so much more. This isn't just only about cool gadgets, though. These advancements are raising serious questions about the future. Will robots take our jobs? Can they ever be truly conscious? By the end of this video, you'll be wondering, will robots be our best friends or our biggest challenge? Let's dive right in. First up, Amecha, a revolutionary creation by Engineered Arts, stands out for its ability to mimic human expressions and movements, and now it can draw too. This robot, resembling a human with a gray rubber face and hands, uses 24 motors for facial expressions and 20 motors in each arm to interact with people naturally. It's equipped with microphones, cameras, and facial recognition to communicate effectively. Last year, videos of Amecha went viral because it looked so real and expressive, sparking comparisons to movie robots. How does Amecha seem so human-like? It runs on AI that uses generative models, similar to advanced AI models like GPT-4. These models help it understand our language, control its facial expressions, and interact with us. But Amecha doesn't truly think or feel like us. It mimics human behavior based on data and programming. It can pause before answering questions and show emotions, which tricks us into thinking it's thinking and feeling. It doesn't end with Amecha, not even close. Recently, OpenAI and Norwegian startup 1X introduced Neo, a physical robot resembling a futuristic astronaut. Neo can move, communicate, and sense its environment using advanced technology like cameras, speakers, microphones, and sensors. Neo represents OpenAI's venture into physical robotics. Powered by AI systems like GPT-4 and DALL-E, Neo embodies OpenAI's ambition to achieve artificial general intelligence, AGI. Designed for flexibility, Neo adapts its components, legs, wheels, tools, as needed, showcasing its versatility in tasks ranging from drawing and gaming to complex problem-solving. Now let's switch gears to China's latest thing, super realistic AI robots. Companies like X Robots are making robots that can copy our facial expressions and emotions in real time. It's pretty wild, like having a robot that can mirror your every smile or frown in an instant. X Robots says their robots can chat just like us and understand what we say using AI and language models. But who knows what they'd say if you tease them a bit? Would they laugh it off or come back with a witty comeback? Guess we'll find out. But it's not just about looking human. These robots can do some pretty cool stuff too. There are robots that make intricate designs in coffee foam or shoot hoops like pros on the basketball court. They can even dance to the beat and do complicated moves with style. Powered by AI, these robots can learn from experience and make smart decisions on their own. Now let's turn to a fascinating blend of space travel and robotics. Laika, an AI-powered robot designed by Jae Kim to interact with humans like a real companion. Inspired by the story of Laika the dog, the first animal to orbit Earth, Kim created a lifelike robot that can understand human emotions and respond to them. Laika isn't just a gadget, it's designed to blend into our world naturally. It looks realistic, with fur and moves its head, ears, tail, and legs fluidly thanks to advanced joints and sensors. Laika can see, hear, feel, and even check astronauts' health using ECG sensors. It responds to human emotions with gestures like wagging its tail or cuddling. Did we mention it is designed to be both a space companion and a valuable assistant for astronauts? Its job in space missions is to scout areas using cameras and sensors, gathering crucial data. With a flexible handle on its back, Laika can carry tools and equipment, and it communicates through speakers, microphones, and even the internet, accessing information on its head-mounted screen. Moving on to Tesla's latest innovation, Optimus Gen 2, a humanoid robot resembling a futuristic knight. This robot, revealed recently, boasts almost human-like hand movements, lighter weight, and faster walking speed compared to its predecessor. Equipped with custom actuators and sensors, it's designed for handling complex tasks. What makes Optimus Gen 2 stand out are its advanced hands, capable of 11 degrees of freedom for precise movements and tactile sensing. These hands can detect temperature, pressure, and textures, enhancing its ability to interact with objects and people. With a walking speed of 4 miles per hour and autonomous head movements, it's designed not only for physical tasks, but also for learning from its environment, problem solving, and communication. So how could Optimus Gen 2 benefit us? In manufacturing, it could handle heavy lifting and assembly tasks. On construction sites, it might assist with digging and cleanup. At home or in offices, it could perform chores or provide services. In educational settings, it could act as a teacher, explaining concepts or conducting experiments. And for entertainment, imagine it playing games or performing in parks. Now, LG, a popular electronics company, is ready to impress everyone at CES 2024 with their latest invention, a small, friendly robot designed to make life at home easier and more enjoyable. This announcement, made not long ago, is already causing a lot of excitement. LG's new robot stands about a foot tall, walks on two legs, and is packed with advanced technology to help you around the house. It can move around your home, checking for problems, keeping an eye on your pets, and even understanding your feelings to make your day better. Using Qualcomm's Robotics RB5 platform, this robot gets smarter over time by learning about your preferences and routines, becoming an even better companion. LG calls it a moving smart home hub, aimed at reducing the chores you need to do around the house, and it seems to do just that. It's set to be showcased at CES 2024, where it will connect with all your smart devices. It can turn off devices when they're not in use or when you're away. Plus, it patrols your home, checking if windows are closed or lights are left on, and alerts you if needed when you're not home. But this robot isn't just passive. It also watches over your pets and lets you see live video feeds of what they're doing when you're out. It's smart enough to monitor your home's temperature, humidity, and air quality, notifying you if something's wrong. And that's not all. It greets you at the door when you come home and can tell how you're feeling by looking at your face and listening to your voice. Depending on your mood, it can play music or sounds to cheer you up. And if you tend to forget things like taking medication, the robot can remind you. Whether people will be comfortable with a robot following them and their pets around all day remains to be seen. Moving on, Covariant. Covariant is an innovative robotics company using advanced AI similar to the technology behind digital tools like ChatGPT to create robots that operate in the real world. Founded by 3 former researchers from OpenAI, Covariant is making waves in the robotics industry by developing software that lets robots learn and adapt by observing and interacting with their surroundings, much like how chatbots learn from lots of text data. What sets Covariant apart is how they combine sensory data from cameras and other sensors with extensive text data, similar to what chatbots use for training. This blend gives robots a thorough understanding of their environment, enabling them to handle objects and situations they haven't been specifically programmed for. For instance, a Covariant robot can recognize and manipulate a banana based on English instructions, even if it's never seen one before. This is a big leap from traditional robots that can only perform a limited set of tasks in controlled environments. Covariant's technology uses neural networks, a type of AI inspired by the human brain. These networks learn to recognize patterns and make decisions by analyzing large amounts of data. This is similar to how digital AIs like chatbots and image generators work by processing lots of information from the internet. Now imagine playing games or controlling computers just by thinking. That's real now with Elon Musk's Neuralink. They showed the world something incredible, a person playing chess online using only their thoughts, not moving at all. This isn't just a cool story, it's a new way for technology and thinking to work together, opening doors to things we once only dreamed about. Neuralink made history by live streaming a person using a brain chip to play chess. The person, Nolan Arbaugh, got paralyzed below the shoulders in a diving accident. Thanks to Neuralink, he can control a computer cursor just by thinking, even playing his favorite game, Civilization VI, for hours. This technology lets people interact with computers through thoughts, skipping the usual physical ways. Arbaugh got the Neuralink chip in January and found the surgery easy, leaving the hospital the next day without problems. But he and Musk say this tech is still new. While it's changed Arbaugh's life, there's more to improve. They're learning how to make it work better for more people. Now guess what? Boston Dynamics also introduced a new version of their Atlas robot, and it's a big deal. They've ditched the old noisy hydraulics and switched to a quieter electric motor, making Atlas more efficient and sleeker. This is a major upgrade in their technology. In a video, the new Atlas starts lying down on mats, and you can hear the soft hum of its electric motor. As the camera moves, Atlas smoothly bends its knees and stands up, looking kind of natural yet also a bit strange, like something from a sci-fi movie. This change from hydraulics to electric power is a big deal. While it's not totally silent, the electric motor is way quieter than the old system, which used to make a lot of noise. This makes Atlas more practical for different places. Boston Dynamics is known for pushing the boundaries in robotics, always making their robots better. This latest Atlas shows how far they've come and where they're headed next. With each upgrade, they aim to make robots that can do more and fit better into everyday life. And it doesn't end here. Sanctuary AI also made a big announcement. They're teaming up with Microsoft to speed up making smarter AI models for all-purpose robots. This could change everything. Recently, Sanctuary AI showed off their 7th-generation robot, Phoenix. It's got better eyesight, touch sensors, and can move its wrists, hands, and elbows more like a human. This is a huge leap in making robots that can do real human tasks. But as exciting as all this is, it brings up some big questions too. How will these robots change our jobs and lives? Will they fit in with us peacefully or cause some problems along the way? One big debate is whether these robots can ever be conscious like us. Should they have rights like humans if they become conscious? Some say no, they're just machines not capable of real feelings or thoughts. Others think advanced robots could develop emotions and awareness. Tell us what you think in the comments section. Alright guys, we've come to the end of this video, and if you enjoyed it, do well to click on the like and subscribe buttons. Don't forget to check other videos on our playlist. We've got some amazing contents for you. See you in our next video.